What's up guys, my name's Alex, and in this video I just want to show you guys how I was able to bring a new store from zero to about $3,500 in its first week running. Now this actually equals about $500 a day. As you can see, yesterday we closed at 557. Sorry, it's hard to see with those angles and all the sunlight, but we're doing $500 a day. That's not very impressive on most stores, especially stores that I'm first getting up and running and starting to scale with, but there was zero ad spend. I didn't even spend as much as $5 on ads during this period. It's all free traffic. It's all through my own traffic. There's no paid Instagram influencers, no Facebook ads, no Google ads. So I'll show you guys exactly how I was able to get this store up and running and hitting $500 a day within the first week. Now before we go into that, I do want to talk about my plans with this store moving forward. I think within the next couple of days, I'm waiting on this product to actually get delivered to my house. So within the next couple of days, we should have our hands on this product, and I should be able to start shooting my own custom content. So my plan in the next week is to take this product to shoot 2 really good video ads and to launch those on the Facebook ads platform, get those running and try to build up some customer data doing that. And hopefully this $500 a day that we have in free traffic, organic traffic coming through every day, can go up to $1,000 a day, from there to $5,000 a day, and from there $10,000 a day as I'm ready to begin scaling this new product. So a lot of the time you see me talking about this free traffic. I really like the idea of free traffic. It's a lot more profitable. It's a lot easier to target people because you have all of these people in one place that are already lined up for your store. And I'll explain what I mean by all that in just a minute, but how was I actually able to hit $500 a day on this brand new store just using free traffic? Now this is actually an unusual method. I actually don't usually do this with my new stores, but I had this idea midway through quarantine to actually start doing this, and I got it all started around mid-March, and I just launched this store last week, and as you can see, we're doing $500 a day. So what did I do? Originally in March, what I did was I created a brand new Instagram account, kind of an influencer page in the luxury niche, and what I did on there was I posted every single day. I would post daily posts, 2 or 3 posts a day relating to my personal content on there. I would post stories that related. I would make sure all of my hashtags lined up. I would collaborate with other people by commenting on other people's posts, and in return their fans would see my account. They might even go and like it themselves. They might follow me, and I just spent about 2-3 good months building up this Instagram account for this luxury influencer niche. From there, I started getting products together, more luxury style products. I won't give away the actual product that I'm selling on this store, but just know for a luxury product, it's priced lower. It goes from anywhere from $20 to $30, but a lot of people aren't just buying one. So you see a lot of 2-3 bundle packs being sold on this store. So what I did with this was I got everyone together. I built up 20,000 followers on this luxury Instagram account, and I knew I was ready to open a store as I had this loyal amount of followers. I was getting consistent engagement on that account. So if you guys have any questions about how to actually build up an Instagram account, I can help you out there. But the foundation of this store was actually built using the free traffic that I made, or that I found using that Instagram account and all of my engaging posts on there. So essentially, if you can create an Instagram account and put it together nicely and create your own custom content on there, whether you're making your own content or reposting other people's, and you can put it together nicely and build up a good following on there, what I recommend doing is, while you build an Instagram account that you are going to want to run your store on, learn everything you can about e-commerce. Learn about the marketing side, the store building side, the product research, and use those few months that you're going to spend building up this Instagram account, learning all about e-com and getting ready to actually put together your store. So while you're actually learning the process of it, you have something going and building up future customers while you're still learning. So once I had a fair amount of followers going on that Instagram page, like I mentioned, I was around the 20,000 follower range by the time I was ready to start this store. I started investing in some of the inventory, so I ordered a couple of the products to my house. And as I mentioned, I don't actually have them yet. I'm still waiting, so I probably should look at the shipping times on those. But with that, I'm waiting on the product to come to my house now. Sorry, someone just rode their bike by my car, but I'm waiting on the products to come to my house now. So what I did, I built the Instagram account up, I ordered the products to my house, and I designed the entire store, added everything to get the store together. I created the Facebook page, I started a Twitter page. Didn't get it built up nearly as much as this Instagram page. I might have 1,000 followers on the Twitter, as I usually don't promote stuff on Twitter too much. Although I do like the idea of viral tweets to actually get your products out there, but it really depends on the product, the influencers, and all of the aspects that fall under there. But what I did with this luxury influencer account was I made my website, I made my store, and put everything together. But instead of getting everything up and running and going straight to Facebook and Instagram ads, what I did with this was I put my website in the website area on the Instagram page of my influencer account, and I started promoting my products using, the stories, actually adding some of the highlights, giving people discounts, putting some posts on there. I think the very first post I did was a giveaway post where, you follow this account, tag 3 friends, and winner will be announced Friday. I think I still have yet to announce a winner on that. I probably should go back and look at that. But my hands are very full right now between, starting this new store, the stores I currently have running, and I just started school last week. So I have a lot on my plate with all this. So the point is, if you can get some really good, engaging content in front of the right people, and you guys actually know how to build an Instagram page up, and you don't have to be good at this either. You don't have to do this for a living, just have some basic idea of it. You can eventually transform that Instagram page into an actual brand once you have, a dedicated amount of loyal followers on there. And essentially, you just start promoting your products on there just as you would with an Instagram influencer, your Facebook ads. Essentially, you're your own Instagram influencer, except you're getting these posts for free now. A bonus on top of this is you might actually get, depending on what niche you're in, paid promotions from other brands as well. So some people will see that you're promoting this product and it's doing good for you. They might want in on this action, and another luxury, for this example, another luxury brand might reach out to you and talk to you about pricing and promotions with that. So if you guys have any questions about building up an Instagram account and how to actually integrate this into Shopify, I didn't really go into too much detail on this, but I just wanted to cover the basic idea of it so you guys can get all this set up and start learning everything about e-com and experiment with this, because there's really no risk involved with this. I set up the Instagram page, everything was free. All I did was pay for, the product to go to my house, and the platform fees with Shopify, the app fees, and all of that. So hopefully you guys have a basic idea of how you can use this strategy to help your own stores. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and comment below or DM me and I'll help you guys out the best way that I can. If you got anything out of this video, go ahead and drop a like to help me out, and subscribe as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 e-com resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. The first being a free Facebook group that you guys are welcome to join. The second one being an Instagram page with tons of useful content on there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.